Ever wondered how coffee is made on a massive industrial scale?
This is where millions of cups of coffee begin. Coffee beans arrive here from farms around the world.
These raw beans are stored in massive quantities.
Before processing, every batch is carefully inspected.
Machines begin the cleaning process.
Dust, stones, and impurities are removed. Only high-quality beans move forward. Next comes precise sorting by size and weight.
This is where coffee develops its flavor.
Temperature control is extremely important.
Now the roasting stage begins.
This ensures consistent roasting results.
Different roasts create different tastes.
After roasting, beans must cool quickly.
This prevents over-roasting.
Next, beans move toward grinding.
Industrial grinders work with extreme precision.
Different grind sizes are produced.
Ground coffee is now ready for packaging. Everything happens inside a sealed environment. This prevents contamination at every step. Packaging begins automatically. Each bag is filled with exact precision. Weight sensors check every package. Incorrect packages are instantly rejected.
Check the flow rate on the main conduit. It's showing an anomaly.
Confirmed. The variance is outside tolerance.
Rerouting now. Stand by for stabilization.
Hygiene rules are extremely strict. Workers follow food-grade safety protocols. No outside contamination is allowed.
Packaging materials are also inspected.
Machines seal each pack tightly.
This keeps the coffee fresh for longer. Each package receives a batch code.
Brand labels are added automatically.
This allows full traceability.
This allows full traceability. Finished packs move towards secondary packaging. Robotic arms handle the boxes.
Automation increases speed and accuracy.
Boxes are sealed and stacked. Every step is optimized for efficiency.
Quality control checks continue throughout.
Any issue is detected immediately.
This keeps production running smoothly.
Thousands of packages move every hour. The scale of production is massive.
And this is just one production line.
Any defective package is instantly removed. Precision sensors monitor weight and seal quality. This ensures only perfect products reach customers.
Finished products move towards secondary packaging.
Robotic arms handle boxes with speed and precision.
Stacked boxes are prepared for shipping.
Forklifts transport them to storage areas.
Everything is tracked digitally.
This allows full traceability of every batch.
Orders are sorted based on destination. Each box is prepared for global shipping.
Temperature-sensitive coffee is handled carefully. Automation reduces human error.
Packaging speed is incredibly fast.
Multiple lines operate simultaneously. Robotic arms and machines work in perfect harmony.
This is modern coffee production at scale.
The primary output graph is spiking again. We need to stabilize the flux capacitor.
Rerouting auxiliary power now. The levels should normalize.
Even small errors are caught immediately. Packaging lines never stop running. Millions of packages are produced daily. Workers supervise multiple processes at once.
Every batch is tracked from bean to cup.
Finished boxes move toward loading docks. Forklifts load trucks efficiently.
shipping ensures fresh coffee worldwide.
Automation guarantees speed and accuracy.
From farm to your cup, every step is controlled.
This is how coffee is processed in a mega factory.
Ensure the machinery is properly secured before initiating the lockout procedure.
What if the tag is missing?
Report it immediately to your line manager.
Every worker follows strict safety rules. Machines are designed with multiple safety systems.
Emergency systems are always ready.
Air filtration keeps the environment dust-free.
Waste is carefully managed and recycled.
Energy-efficient systems reduce power use.
Sustainability plays a major role in production.
Automation helps minimize waste. Large warehouses store finished products.
Inventory levels are updated in real time.
Do you have the manifest for pallet 3? It's right here. We need to move it to staging lane 4 immediately.
Logistics teams coordinate every shipment. Packaging is optimized for transport.
Trucks are loaded with precision. Coffee leaves the factory day and night. Global distribution keeps shelves stocked.
Here are the coffees, everyone. Thank you, they look amazing.
All thanks to precise industrial processes.
Technology drives consistency and quality.
Skilled workers oversee every stage.
Teamwork keeps the factory running smoothly.
Every detail matters in large-scale production. Consistency is the key to great coffee.
This process repeats thousands of times daily. Scale and precision work together. Scale and precision.
Modern factories redefine coffee production.
From beans to billions of cups. This is the power of a mega coffee factory.
Mega factories operate with incredible efficiency.
Every system works in perfect coordination.
Technology ensures consistent quality.
From the smallest detail to massive scale.
Millions of coffee packs leave this factory.
Hygiene and safety remain top priorities.
This helps preserve freshness and flavor.
We need to reroute the Shanghai shipment through the new Arctic Passage immediately.
Understood. Updating the route now. ETA revised to Friday.
Coffee is shipped across the globe.
Reaching cafes, stores, and homes.
Billions of cups start here.
All powered by modern manufacturing.
Scale, speed, and precision combined.
This is how coffee is made today.
From raw beans to your daily cup,